Traxxas has changed the game again with another new truck. Today I'm at White Rose Hobbies in York, Pennsylvania, and I may just have the hottest new release from Traxxas this year. It's a TRX4M. This is the 1/18 scale crawler. It's the Bronco. You can also get it in the Defender. Let's take a closer look. I love the way Traxxas packages their stuff. We have the book right on top. You guys can see how neatly packed this truck is. It's got the 750 milliamp hour battery right here, USB charger, the truck, and the TQ top qualifier 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Let's get everything out. Okay, first we have the Traxxas USB charger here, and at the very end, it has a proprietary plug that will only fit the Traxxas batteries. Next we have the Traxxas 750 milliamp hour battery with the connector that'll only fit the TRX4M. Okay, pretty much the same transmitter we see with all Traxxas vehicles. We have the TQ top qualifier 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Okay, next we'll take a really close look up at the truck. First we'll remove the plastic. So guys, what I really like about this truck is it's got clear windows. You can see out the front window, out the side windows. You want it realistic looking. It's got a roof rack on top, windshield wipers, mirrors. It looks just like the brand new Bronco that came out. Has mud flap guards on the side. I believe that's separate from the body itself. On the back, you have a spare tire, although there's not a spare tire underneath that cover. And it has rear tail lights, front lights, and I believe there's LED lights in this bumper here. I didn't run the truck yet, so I don't really know. It's got really nice suspension to it. It looks like the tires will clear once they go up into the truck there. You can see the suspension working on the front and the rear there. And if we flip it over, you can see the bottom of the truck. It's got straight axles all the way across, not the portal axles, drive shafts, drag links. It looks great underneath. Let's take the body off. One of the great things about this truck, it's clipless. You reach underneath, you pull these two tabs right here, just move them to the side like that, and the body comes right off. You gotta love that. You have the servo up front. You will see the servo moving with the front axle. It's because it's mounted on top of the front axle. So you can get a new motor and gear setup, one for crawling and one for high speed. So we'll see how this one works out here today. And at the back of the truck, we have the brand new Traxxas ESC receiver built all into one. Something Traxxas really wants you to know is this 45-degree steering angle in this truck to get around those tight crawler courses you have. In the center of the truck, you do have this rubber strap right here that'll hold the battery into place. It does have oil-filled shocks, very cool. So when you're using this truck, you won't see it bounce like some of the 124 scale trucks. I really didn't like that look. This looks more realistic. It's gonna roll over the bumps, and I'm gonna show you how that works in just a bit here. First, we'll turn on the transmitter. And that's because when you plug in this battery, that automatically turns on the truck. There is no on and off button. And you can read that right on top of the ESC. It says plug in to turn on and unplug to turn off. And that's probably a good idea because if you leave these plugged in, it will drain the battery all the way down. So maybe that's the reason for that. Next, we're just ready to put the body on top. And with those tabs right there, we just slide them right into place just like this. Look at that. It doesn't get any easier than putting your body on. We're ready to go. About quarter throttle, truck goes right up. Some of you will be running this around your house, not around the crawler course, and it gets around pretty good. And it looks pretty stable too. It doesn't bounce around like some of the other 124 scale trucks. So I hope you guys like this little test and unboxing of the Traxxas TRX4M. Great little truck, $149.99. Handled the crawler course great here today at the White Rose Hobbies here in York, Pennsylvania. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can also join my Facebook group, that's the Ovalrc, and check me out on TikTok. I'm Mark. We'll see you next time.